In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add terms and conditions on a Getresponse landing page. We'll walk through this in a simple, clear way so you can collect proper consent from your visitors without overcomplicating your setup. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to publish your page with a working terms and conditions checkbox. First, you need to open your landing page inside the Getresponse editor. From your main dashboard, look for the section called Tools, then choose Landing Pages. This is where all your existing landing page projects are listed. Find the landing page you want to update, and instead of creating a new one, click on Edit Page. This opens the visual editor where you can adjust any part of the page, including the form where visitors enter their information. Next, you'll create the actual consent field that will act as your terms and conditions checkbox. Inside the editor, look for the option labeled Custom Fields. This is where you manage extra form fields beyond the standard name and email. Within this area, you'll see a toggle for Consent Fields. Turn that on. This tells Getresponse that you want to work specifically with fields designed for permissions and legal agreements, like terms and conditions or privacy consent. Once consent fields are visible, you'll need to define the one you want to use. Click on Add New Consent Field. Here, you either create or select a consent field you've set up before. Choose the one that corresponds to your terms and conditions text. Make sure the wording of that consent clearly states what users are agreeing to and that it matches the terms and conditions you link to from your page or website. If you want it to be mandatory, confirm that the field is set as required so visitors must check it before submitting the form. After your consent field is in place and looks the way you want in the form, it's time to make the changes live. Click on Next Step to move past the editor settings. Review the preview of your landing page, scroll down to the form, and double-check that the Terms and Conditions checkbox appears correctly. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your updated landing page is now live with a proper Terms and Conditions consent field integrated into the form.